Welcome! If you want to deactivate your account again, immediately after deactivating your account, you are in the right place. Let's open up Instagram. And we will tap Profile on the bottom right and the three lines at the top right. Now let's go to Settings here and type the search bar Deletion. After that, click to Deactivation or Deletion. And then you need to tap to your account. Now, the key thing is here. If you already deactivated your account in the last week, Instagram will not let you to deactivate your account again before waiting a week. So if you want to deactivate your account without waiting a week, all you have to do hit the delete account and tap to continue. After that, choose any option and tap to continue again. And then enter your password and hit the continue button. After these steps, your account will be deleted. The vital point, remember, if you delete your Instagram account using this method, Instagram gives you 30 days to reopen your channel. And you need to open your account without missing this period. Thanks for watching the video to the end. Stay safe.